Hi everyone, Gaga Joy, Gaga Joy's Cooking, and I'm going to stop in today. We're going to be making taco spaghetti. Why not? Two good things we all love, taco spaghetti, and I've made it once this week. So this is my second time, so I know it's good. So let's just say it's good taste tested. This is a pound of hamburger. And somebody gave me the recipe, and well, they told me the recipe. I think you can figure it out. It's just about the same thing as making tacos. Just hot spaghetti. Yes. I've got a pot of water here going for my spaghetti. I got the oven at 375. Put it all in at the end. And actually, it's a very fast meal, so that'll help you. I'm putting a small onion in it in the hamburger. And I put a tablespoon of water in their pot for spaghetti. It is, it really does help when you put your salt in your water before you cook pasta. I didn't used to do that, but it does make a great difference. I think it does anyway. This hamburger is an 80-20. I like 90-10, and I couldn't find it this time. So you take what you get. Okay. Put the spaghetti in. I'm using 3/4 of spaghetti is what the recipe calls for. Of a box of spaghetti. Okay. Okay. Put that up. Just spaghetti salad. Okay, let's put a little seasoning. This is I'm putting about a teaspoon of onion powder, which a lot of it's in there too. I just want to make sure we get, and paprika. Garlic. And the good old standby, Rotel. I'm using mild on everything, but mild, even mild has a little spicy. This is my spaghetti spoon anyway. Put a little bit of the pasta water in there. When I put the taco sauce in there, it sort of thickens it a little too much. It's just like making tacos. This is pretty much the way I make tacos. And the other day I just had a salad, and it went quickly. Okay. Tune this down, let it set a little bit. There's spaghetti. Okay, I drained my spaghetti. It's already, and I'm gonna put the cheese in this. Now, you do need a liquid cheese. I actually got one that was spicy the other day. It was just too spicy. I couldn't use it. But this one has just got a little bit of spice in it. And make sure it gets good and stir it up. Because it would be hard, I think it'd be hard to put it in the pan and try to stir it. And I'm also going to put the sauce in it too, so I can stir it up better. Oh, you know how good this smells. Are you the kind take spaghetti and put the spaghetti on the bottom and the sauce on the top? My mother always did this way, and because I know a lot of people say you're doing it that way, and so yeah, I'm doing it that way. Gotta admit, that looks good. And of course, you mix it again. Cheese on top. Let's see, this was an 8-ounce bag. Now that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay, let's do this. Hot, hot. It came out very pretty. And it is bubbling hot. Probably shouldn't even touch it. I'm just going to give it a bite of it. One reason is the other one was so spicy. And I didn't make this one quite this spicy because my little great-grandson's going to be eating it. And they know so. Taco spaghetti. What would you want better than that? Nothing, I don't think. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it because it's easy. It's a fast meal for your family, just a salad of just this if you want it. Take care of yourself. It's a beautiful weekend, I think. Remember the joy. See you soon.